what is the molar mass of sodium carbonate? So luckily in the question, they gave you the molecular formula, so you don't have to remember what it is. So sodium carbonate is na2co3. So I'm going to flip to the PowerPoint so we can draw out the calculations and go through it step by step. Okay. So to figure out the molar mass of a molecule, you need to add up the molar masses of each element in the molecule. So here we have sodium to consider, carbon, and oxygen, and that's it. So if you look onto your periodic table, you will find the molar mass of each individual atom. So sodium's molar mass is 22.99, and the units are grams per mole. So just to note, throughout this Q&A session, I have rounded all the numbers to 2 decimal places, just to keep things simple. But when you're answering a question on a test, you will need to take into account the number of significant figures in the question, and that is the number of significant figures you will use in the answer. So the molecular weight or molar mass, they mean the same thing, of carbon is 12.01 grams per mole, and oxygen is 15.99 grams per mole. So now in the molecular formula, we have 2 sodium, 1 carbon atom, and 3 oxygen atoms to consider. So the calculation will go like this. So we have 2 sodium atoms, so 2 times 22.99 grams per mole, plus 1 carbon, plus 12.01 grams per mole, plus 3 oxygens, 3 times 15.99 grams per mole. So doing the math, we have 105.96 grams per mole as the molar mass of Na2CO3. Okay, so it's a pretty straightforward calculation, but this will be the basis of a lot of more complicated questions, so you will need to be able to do this relatively quickly.